In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block multiple users on Instagram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly block several accounts using the same simple process, so you can keep your feed and messages as safe and comfortable as you want them to be. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to block people. From the home screen, go to the profile of the first account you want to block. You can get there by tapping their username anywhere you see it, like in your feed, in your messages, or in your followers or following list. This will open their main profile page where you can see their posts, bio, and profile picture. Once you're on that profile, look for the three dots icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is the options menu for that account. Tap on the three dots to open a small menu with different actions you can take. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options such as report, restrict, or hide your story. Look for the option labeled block. Go ahead and tap block. Instagram will then show you a confirmation screen explaining what blocking does. Typically, blocking someone means they won't be able to find your profile, see your posts or stories, or send you direct messages from that account. On this confirmation screen, you'll need to tap block again to complete the action. This second tap is important because it tells Instagram that you really do want to block this account. After you confirm, Instagram will block that user and you should see a small message or change on their profile indicating that they've been blocked. Now that you've blocked the first person, you'll simply repeat this process for each additional user you want to block. Go to the next account's profile, tap the three dots in the top right corner, select block, and then tap block again to confirm. Continue doing the exact same steps for every user you want to block. Take your time and double check that you're on the correct profiles before you confirm the block, especially if two accounts have similar usernames or profile pictures. Once you're done, you'll have successfully blocked multiple users on Instagram by following the same quick and consistent process for each one.